Hey friends, today we're back out at the she shed for a little update. I've got a few small projects planned, but they're the kind that really make a big difference. Welcome back to the Cleveland Cottage. I'm Janet, and if you love all things cozy cottage, home and decor, you're in the right place. I'm so glad you're here, so let's get started. So let me ask you something. Have you ever had one of those things that you constantly misplace? Because for me, lately it's been the she shed key. I've come out so many times ready to work or film, and I've had to go back to the house to look for it, trying to figure out where I left it, and thought there has to be a better way. So today we're going to solve that problem with the DESLOC K120 GPT fingerprint entry and its long-lasting battery. But we're also going to make the she shed just a little bit prettier while we're at it. For those of you who are new, my husband Tom and I restored and added a lean-to our 85-year-old shed. I finally picked a color for the door, and we're swapping out a few of the little details that have been bothering me. We'll also be installing the new lock so I can stop looking for those keys. I want to thank DESLOC for sponsoring today's video. Here's the two paint colors that Tom and I narrowed it down to. This is Cerise, it's like a cranberry raspberry color, and this one's Cornflower blue, and we just love both of them. And they look really great against the Woodlawn blue on the siding and the white trim. Although we love both colors, there's an issue. When we painted the front porch ceiling, we painted it a Haint blue, and Tom and I were talking about it, and we think adding a Cornflower blue will just be way too many blues. Although it's very beautiful, we're going to go with Cerise to give the front door on the she shed a pop of color. So let's go pick it out and get to painting. This is one of those projects that doesn't take a lot of time, but it completely changes how a space feels. It's already feeling more inviting just having that pop of color on the door. I love the color, and I'm glad that we went with the pop. I'll also be painting the door on the front porch to give a seamless and cohesive look to both spaces, but that's a later project. We'll get the door finished and quickly install the electrical outlets, and after the door dries, we'll get the new DESLOC K120 installed. I'm excited not to have to carry the keys to the shed because I usually have my hands full, so let's get these projects finished so we can get the lock installed. While we're out here, I'm also going to switch out the outlet and electrical plates to these bronze ones. It's such a small detail, but it really helps everything feel a little more finished and cohesive, especially with the other tones we're going to have going on out here. Alright, now let's fix the real problem, the key situation. Tom and I walked all the way out to the shed last night to see the new desk setup, and I left it in the house again. So instead of continuing to lose the key over and over again, we're installing the DESLOC K120 smart lock on the she shed. This one has fingerprint access, which I'm really excited about because that means no more frantically searching the house to find the key. I was really impressed with the packaging and how everything was neatly secured and easy to remove. The box came with separately packed accessories, including an ion battery and deadbolt with the mechanical keys. There were two, so if I lose mine, Tom will have a spare, but we won't need it because it's keyless entry and also has a landlord mode. I love the sleek black design, which will fit right in with the bronze door handle and the pop of Cerise on the door of the shed. What we really loved about this is just how simple it makes everything. I can come out here, tap the lock, and I'm in. It only took about 15 minutes to install, so we weren't out of a lot of time. Another feature that's going to be so helpful for us is that we can create a code for someone else if they want to spend the night. We can also share the code with our neighbors to check in on things or if we're out of town. We don't have to worry about handing off a physical key or trying to track it down later. It just makes life a little easier and a little more secure. Its best features is 15,000 mAh ultra long battery life, which saves time and money on replacing batteries. It's detachable, phone rechargeable in emergency, and has a low battery mode alert at 5%. The GPT fingerprint recognition means no more worry about lost keys. It can continuously learn your fingerprint, even hard to read in wet prints. You can also use the passcode or the app control for rental management, but we're using it for neighbor mode when we're out of town. Tom and I hope if you're liking these projects that you'll leave us a thumbs up or a heart emoji in the comments. And if you're new, we hope you'll subscribe for future projects. It's always free and it means so much to us. Alright, let me show you how everything came together. I just love how this turned out. The Cerise store adds so much character, and with the new hardware in the lock, it finally feels as functional as it is pretty. And best of all, no more lost key. Although I love the cornflower blue, I think we made the right decision going with the Cerise. It's the perfect splash of color to make the door stand out. I'd love to know what you think. Would you have gone with the Cerise or the cornflower for the door? And do you ever lose your keys like I do, or is it just me? Let me know in the comments. If it's not just me and you're interested in the new DESLOC K120 lock, I'll have it linked for you in the description. You can buy now on Amazon and you never have to leave home. Tom and I are glad you stopped by for a visit and hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being here, and until the next time, live life and find what makes you happy. We'll see you the next time. Bye!